Welcome to your new Orbit home. In this video, we'll be covering how to keep your boiler running smoothly, as well as using your radiators and thermostat correctly. Boiler servicing. Boiler servicing is important to keep your boiler in good working order and reducing the risk of breakdowns. The service should be carried out every year by a qualified engineer. Repressurising the boiler system. If your boiler pressure is low, then you need to repressurise it to increase the amount of water circulating in your system. An error code will be displayed on the front of your boiler to advise of this. This is a simple process that you can do yourself. Firstly, make sure your boiler is switched off and allow it to cool completely. Next, you'll need to find the filling loop, which is usually under the boiler. Open the valve fully, keeping an eye on the pressure gauge. You should hear the water entering the system, and you should be aiming for between 1 to 1.5 bar. Once you are at that level, close the valve. Remember to check your manufacturer's user guide for further information, as too much pressure could cause damage to your boiler.
Thermostat controls. Your thermostat controls the temperature of your home. It's usually located in the hallway, living room, or bedroom. You can use it to adjust the temperature of your home and to set specific times and dates to suit you. Check your manufacturer's user guide for more information. Radiator valves. Radiator valves allow you to control the flow of hot water to individual radiators. This can be useful if you want to heat up one room more than the others, or save money by turning the heat down in a room you don't use as much. To adjust a radiator valve, turn the knob anti-clockwise to increase the flow of hot water, or clockwise to decrease it. The higher the number, the warmer the radiator. Bleeding of radiators. If your radiators are not heating up properly, it may be because they contain a small amount of air and need to be bled. This is a simple process that you can do yourself. First, make sure your heating is switched off and your radiators are cold. To bleed a radiator, you'll need a radiator key, as well as a small plastic tub and some kitchen paper. Find the bleed valve on one of the top corners of the radiator. Hold the kitchen paper close to it and place the tub on the floor below. Insert the key into the valve and turn it anti-clockwise to unscrew it slowly. You should hear a small amount of air come out. Once water starts to escape, close the valve by turning the key clockwise. Then repeat on all radiators in your home. When you've finished, don't forget to check the pressure of your boiler. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer care team.